Welcome to our video on statistical sampling. We'll explore what statistical sampling is, why it's important, and how it's applied in various fields. Statistical sampling involves selecting a subset of individuals from a larger population to estimate characteristics of the whole group. This technique is crucial for saving time and resources while providing accurate insights. We'll cover the challenges of gathering data from large populations, different sampling methods, and practical applications. By the end, you'll understand the basics of statistical sampling and its role in data collection. Let's begin our journey into the world of statistical sampling. Collecting data from large populations can be daunting. Imagine trying to survey everyone in a country. It would be extremely time-consuming and costly. The sheer volume of data and needed resources makes it a significant challenge. This is where efficient data collection methods, like statistical sampling, become essential. By understanding large-scale data collection complexities, we can better appreciate the need for feasible, accurate methods. As we proceed, you'll see how statistical sampling provides a practical, insightful solution to this widespread problem. This is where statistical sampling comes in. By selecting a representative subset of the population, we can gather meaningful data without surveying everyone. Sampling turns an overwhelming task into a manageable one, providing practical solutions for handling large populations. Imagine conducting a complete census each time. Impossible, right? With sampling, we break down immense data sets into actionable insights drawn from smaller, well-chosen groups. This method saves time and reduces costs while maintaining accuracy. As we move forward, you'll see how various sampling methods offer unique advantages for different scenarios. As we dive deeper into statistical sampling, understanding the various methods becomes crucial. Each method offers unique advantages tailored to different research needs. Let's explore some common sampling methods: random sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, and cluster sampling. Random sampling is straightforward, where every member has an equal chance of being selected, minimizing bias and providing a robust foundation for statistical inference. Stratified sampling involves dividing the population into subgroups or strata based on specific characteristics, and then randomly selecting individuals from each stratum. This ensures all subgroups are represented. Systematic sampling introduces order by choosing every nth individual from a list. It's simple and efficient for large populations. Cluster sampling divides the population into clusters, often based on geography. Entire clusters are randomly selected, which is valuable for widely dispersed populations. Each method serves specific purposes, catering to different research questions and constraints. Understanding these nuances helps in selecting the most appropriate method, enhancing the reliability of findings. You'll see real-world examples illustrating each method's applications. Random sampling involves selecting individuals from a population entirely by chance, ensuring every individual has an equal chance of being selected. It's unbiased and easy to implement, but may require a larger sample size. For example, an organization wanting to gauge employee satisfaction can randomly select employees from different departments for a diverse, representative sample. Next, you'll see how stratified sampling addresses population diversity in more detail. Stratified sampling is crucial for comprehensive representation in data collection. It involves dividing the population into subgroups or strata based on specific characteristics, then drawing random samples from each subgroup. This ensures all subgroups are represented, leading to more precise results. Its advantages include improved accuracy and accounting for variability, though it can be more complex. For example, in election polls, the population might be divided into age groups or regions to ensure each segment is represented. Next, we'll delve into systematic sampling, exploring its efficiency and application. In this segment, we'll focus on systematic sampling, a straightforward method involving selecting every nth individual from a population list. This ensures structured, unbiased selection. Its simplicity makes it easy to apply, though potential limitations like population periodicity could bias the sample. For instance, surveying marathon participants by choosing every 10th runner employs systematic sampling. Stay with us as we explore how this method compares to others, deepening your understanding of various sampling techniques and their unique applications. Next, let's delve into cluster sampling, which involves dividing the population into clusters like geographical areas and randomly selecting entire clusters for study. This method is efficient for large, dispersed populations. For example, when studying educational methods across a country, it's practical to sample entire schools rather than individual students. However, potential biases may arise if clusters aren't representative. While cost-effective and manageable, cluster sampling requires careful planning. As we proceed, you'll see how this method fits into the broader context of statistical sampling and its potential advantages. Statistical sampling isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a powerful tool used in everyday decision-making. From market research to healthcare and social sciences, its impact is profound. By focusing on representative samples, we avoid the logistical nightmare of surveying entire populations. This precision enables experts to make data-driven decisions that influence policies, marketing strategies, and research. As we conclude our exploration of sampling, consider how it makes data collection practical and impactful across various fields. Stay tuned for a summary of the advantages and disadvantages of sampling. Throughout our journey on statistical sampling, we've explored various methods and their practical applications. Now, let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages. Sampling saves time and money, making large-scale data collection feasible and allowing researchers to draw insights without examining entire populations. However, pitfalls like sampling bias can skew results, leading to misleading conclusions. Carefully designing your sampling strategy is crucial to mitigate these risks. Balancing efficiency and cost savings with accuracy and reliability is key. In the next segment, we'll summarize what we've learned and discuss applying these methods to your studies. As we wrap up our journey into statistical sampling, let's revisit key insights. Statistical sampling simplifies data collection. We've explored various methods like random, stratified, systematic, and cluster sampling, each with unique advantages and applications. These methods address the challenges of collecting data from large populations efficiently. The strength of statistical sampling lies in providing meaningful, representative data without a full population survey. Applying these methods in work, whether in research, market analysis, or beyond, helps gather high-quality data for informed decisions. Thank you for joining us, and we encourage you to apply these concepts to your projects.